In this lighting, I look yellow. Yellow, baby. You're probably gonna see me pat my face 100 times in this video with this because it is hot. I don't know why it's 56% humidity in the house. And I know because the thermostat told me so. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back, and if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Iziah. Now, before we get started, if you're looking for that lavish life, I drive a Tesla, going on exotic vacations, new outfits every video, then you come to the wrong channel because that's not me, sis. Sorry. So the name of this channel is Brokeish Beauty for a reason. So even though I may not have all of those things, I am an amazing teacher and I'm able to break down almost any skill in makeup to the smallest parts to where you can understand. And whether this be your first time applying makeup, we will go over everyday applications, so such as foundation, concealer, eyeliner, all of those things, all the way to more advanced skills like maybe trimming your lashes, applying your lashes, or even those really creative looks that you see all of your favorite Instagram and YouTube artists do. So the structure of my channel is going to be mostly focusing on technique and application, and we will be addressing everything from skin tones, every skin tone, to different eye shapes. Oh, child of mine. Do you ever get hot and you just start saying random things? Like, why was child of mine my go-to statement? What, because I'm hot? Oh, child of mine, as I'm patting away my sweat. Whose child is mine? So as I grow as a content, really, bitch? Guess we'll wait. This is a whole try.
One eternity later.
It's been like 30 minutes and it's still acting a fucking, oh my God. It's stressing me out. I just want to film this video. I got things to do and it is still going off. It's still going off. So that was tragic. It's still going off downstairs, so I had to move locations. Sorry, everybody. Let me close this door. It's gonna bother me. Okay, we're back and we're still black, okay? Padding away. I don't know. Who decided for the weather to be this damn hot? Now my lips look pale. You know, this is it. Okay. Oh, by the way, this is the Goddess Gloss by Almay. This is in the shade Ethereal. It's so tiny. Yeah, so this is the Almay Goddess Gloss in Ethereal. Really like it. All right. Yeah, so Almay Goddess Gloss in the shade Ethereal. So, like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by every sound in the world. Like my throat, too. I don't want this YouTube video to happen. I don't want it. It's hot. I'm stressed out. Get it together. Oh, there's a bug. Hi. So as I grow my channel, because you guys are gonna subscribe, right? You guys are gonna subscribe. You ain't go subscribe. I think I've lost my mind at this point. As I grow and my channel grows, I will start bringing in models to demonstrate different techniques on. So to start off, it will be all done on myself, but I will address different tips and techniques for round face shapes, oblong face shapes, rectangle, inverted triangle, all that. If you have deep set eyes, close set eyes, downturn eyes, all of those things, I got the knowledge and I'm ready to teach you. The whole premise of my channel is going to be to review affordable products, and I'm thinking I'm going to try to keep the products that I review $20 or under. So let me know in the comments if $20 is a good range, because you know, everybody don't got it like that, and I think $20 is pretty standard, but $20 could be a lot for some people as well. For example, my full face right now, minus the lashes and the eyeshadow, total of $78. Okay, honey, $78. That's the price of one ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, or one Jeffree Star palette. $60 for a palette, like, I love it. If I could afford it, I totally would buy it, but baby, this is Brokeish Beauty. Also, when I do product reviews, every now and then I will buy 2 of those products so I can give one away, if the funds permit, because you know, the way my bank account is set up, sometimes she don't do too well with extra purchases. And then I also do one-to-one and group classes consultations virtually, so from the comfort of your home, so you could be in your bedroom or whatever and get a consultation from me, and we basically walk through anything you need. So I'll be giving away a few of those as well as class seats. all that aside, I'm so glad to be back. I really missed YouTube, but I thought I needed to take some time, it definitely needed to take some time to really get my thoughts together, to really practice makeup and practice the skill, and found out what I wanted to do and what I wanted to offer the world, and I gotta know it now. So since I started my TikTok account, I started posting more technique videos versus like lip syncs or just tutorials or eyeshadow tutorials, because like we see that all the time, but nobody's really breaking it down. I mean, there are other channels on YouTube that are breaking it down and doing more technique focused things, but I'm gonna bring it with my expertise and my knowledge of teaching. I have 8 years of teaching experience. I went to school for teaching and all of that, so I got y'all. Am I sweating again? Holy mama. That's it. So welcome everybody to Brokeish Beauty with me, Iziah. If you could do me a favor, comment below some things that you have difficulty with in makeup. So it could be eyeliner, applying lashes, your foundation, like maybe when you're applying your foundation it becomes patchy, or controlling oil, anything like that. Any problems you have or anything you want to learn, comment them below so that way I can read through and start planning out my sequence of videos for you guys. And if you just want me to start from the basics, like literally start with skin prep and then go into foundation and then go into concealer and build all the way up into a full face eyeshadow and all that, then I can do that too. Just comment that below. Please subscribe, hit that subscribe button, turn on my post notifications, that little bell. You can choose if you want every notification or every few notifications, bro. But without your guys' help and support, I ain't going nowhere, sis, okay? So I really would appreciate all of the support that you guys can offer. Also, don't forget to give this video a like, a share to your social media profiles, and then follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. I mean, I don't know what to post on Twitter. I just kind of post whatever, but I mean, eventually I'll figure it out. So if you want to follow me on Twitter, then follow me on Twitter. If you don't, then it's whatever. But please support me on Instagram and TikTok, because TikTok is where this all started, to be honest. If you're from TikTok, what's up? Alright everyone, so I hope that you're ready to elevate your makeup routine on a budget, because you know, a bish broke.